Okay, so I'm getting up in here. And for these, I'm just gonna have to take them all out because I can't take one at a time. Be a lot easier with the front plastics off, but that's a whole nother ball game, it looks like. Oh wait, I think I just found an access hole. Hold on here a minute. Check that plan. I'm pretty sure there is a little access hole right there. I'm gonna try to reach my hand in here. Holy crap. Well, this one is frustrating to say the least. Someone said online it took him an hour to get it off. But I'm determined to beat that. Vice grips or something like that. Wow, I got it. Oh my gosh. What a nightmare. Those plugs just over time just get glued in there. Holy crap, I broke the shit out of that though. Doesn't really matter, it's going in the garbage anyway. Well, or not the garbage, but we're not using it again, if that makes sense. Okay, we still have another one though, is the worst part. There's actually 2 more plugs in here. This one seems pretty easy though. Why did I just say that? That's a terrible idea. It's one of the main things that you don't say as a mechanic. This is gonna be easy. You know how many times I've said that? Spent 3 hours doing something. One more wire down there, going somewhere, and then I got it done. Gotta be this one. Looks like it probably goes down to the 4-wheel drive, maybe. That one. Yeah, there's one more. Somewhere.